I remember staring at a half-clean driveway as my old, underpowered pressure washer sputtered and died, leaving me with a ruined weekend and a massive headache. If you have ever bought a pressure washer that promised the world but barely washed away loose dirt, you know the immense frustration. The market is completely flooded with machines boasting fake numbers and cheap pumps that fail after one season. That is why I took it upon myself to extensively test the top gas models available right now. Stick around, because the number one spot completely changed how I maintain my property. 7. PowerSmart DL1034. Assembly was straightforward enough, requiring only a few basic hand tools to get the handle attached and a wand holder in place. The frame itself feels reasonably sturdy for a budget-friendly option, and a compact footprint makes it very easy to tuck away into a crowded garage corner. When I first filled it with oil and gas, I was optimistic about its lightweight design, thinking it would be the perfect grab-and-go unit for quick weekend chores around the patio. However, firing up the engine for the first time revealed a few of its rougher edges. It took about 6 aggressive pulls on the recoil starter before the engine finally sputtered to life, and it definitely runs on the louder side with a noticeable rattle in the frame. Once running, the vibration travels significantly up through the handle and into the high-pressure hose. While testing it on some light algae buildup on my wooden deck, the actual water pressure felt a bit underwhelming compared to the bold claims on the packaging, though it eventually got the job done with some extra passes. The accessories and build quality of the attachments are where you really feel the cost cutting. The included hose is notoriously stiff, refusing to lay flat, which constantly created a tripping hazard while I was trying to maneuver around my patio furniture. Additionally, the wand feels quite hollow and plasticky, lacking the substantial, balanced weight you want when dealing with pressurized water. After about 20 minutes of continuous spraying, my hand began to cramp simply because the trigger mechanism requires a surprising amount of sustained force to keep engaged. 6. Steupoek 36104. Putting this unit together took a little more time, as the wheel assembly required some finicking to get the cotter pins perfectly seated. It looks the part of a heavy-duty machine, featuring a dark, rugged exterior and a generously sized soap tank built directly into the chassis. I appreciated having the onboard detergent storage, as dragging a separate bucket of cleaner around the yard is always a massive hassle when trying to wash the siding of a house. When it came time to test the cleaning power, the engine fired up much faster than the previous model, usually starting on the second pull. I tackled a long stretch of vinyl fencing that had accumulated a thick layer of green mildew over the winter. The pressure output here is undeniably stronger, easily blasting away the grime without forcing me to hold the nozzle dangerously close to the plastic. It cleared the fence panels efficiently, and the included quick connect nozzles snapped into place securely without any annoying leaks at the wand joint. Unfortunately, extended use quickly highlighted some significant structural and ergonomic flaws. The wheels, despite looking chunky and capable, are made of a hard, unforgiving plastic that clatters loudly over pavement and struggles to roll through anything more than short grass. Furthermore, the engine runs incredibly hot and burns through its small fuel tank at an alarming rate. I found myself having to stop, let the machine cool down, and refill the gas tank just to get through a medium-sized driveway, which severely interrupted my workflow. 5. Efurden 3500 PSI gas pressure washer. The Efurden 3500 PSI represents a massive leap forward in both reliability and overall user experience. Right from the assembly phase, everything about this machine feels significantly more refined. The heavy-duty steel frame goes together smoothly, and the 209cc engine sits securely with excellent vibration dampening mounts. It features a beautifully designed horizontal pump layout that makes hooking up the garden hose and high-pressure line incredibly easy, completely eliminating that awkward knuckle-scraping struggle common on cheaper, vertical shaft models. When I took this out to clean a badly stained concrete terrace, The power was immediately noticeable. Starting the engine requires almost zero effort. A gentle pull is all it takes, and it idles with a smooth, consistent hum. With 3,500 PS on tap, I equipped the 15-degree yellow nozzle and watched as years of embedded dirt and leaf tannins were instantly erased from the concrete. The pressure is remarkably consistent, never surging or dropping even when the water supply for my house fluctuated slightly. The accessory package on the Efurden is fantastic, coming with 4 highly durable, clearly color-coded nozzles that cover everything from delicate vehicle washing to aggressive masonry cleaning. I spent an afternoon washing my SUV using the 40-degree nozzle and the soap applicator. The detergent siphoning system works flawlessly, laying down a thick, even layer of foam over the vehicle. More importantly, the wand is ergonomically designed with a comfortable, rubberized grip that allowed me to wash the entire car in the driveway without any hand fatigue. This model truly hits the sweet spot for the ambitious homeowner. The 10-inch pneumatic-style wheels roll effortlessly over uneven terrain, rocks, and thick lawn, making it incredibly easy to transport around a large property. 4. Westinghouse WPX3200. Westinghouse is a legendary name in power equipment, and the WPX3200 immediately showcases why they have maintained that reputation. This machine feels like a tank, built with an incredibly rugged, welded steel frame that looks like it could survive a drop off the back of a pickup truck. It utilizes a premium 212 cubic centimeters OHV engine that is clearly engineered for longevity. Adding oil and gas is a breeze thanks to easily accessible fill ports, and a massive half-gallon fuel tank immediately promised me a long, uninterrupted afternoon of cleaning. In my testing, the WPX3200 tackled a massive brick retaining wall that was covered in stubborn ivy residue and moss. The recoil start is buttery smooth, firing up on the very first pull every single time. It delivers a true, sustained 3,200 PSI, which proved perfect for blasting the porous brick surface clean without chipping the mortar. What impressed me the most was the sheer axial cam pump quality. It runs incredibly cool even after extended periods of continuous trigger pulling, showing none of the thermal fatigue lesser pumps suffer from. The attention to detail on the wand and hose is what makes this model a joy to use. The included 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose is highly flexible, refusing to kink or coil back on itself while I walked along the length of the wall. The wand features a brilliant locking trigger system, which acts as a fantastic safety feature when you need to set the gun down to move an obstacle. Furthermore, the onboard half-gallon soap tank is seamlessly integrated into the frame, perfectly balanced so the machine never feels top-heavy. 3. Seizeen 3,500 PS high-pressure power washer. When you step up to the Seizeen 3,500 PSI, you are entering the realm of serious, heavy-duty cleaning equipment. The heart of this beast is a massive 7.0 horsepower engine that genuinely commands respect the moment you fire it up. The sheer torque it generates is palpable, and it is paired with a high-grade aluminum pump designed strictly for high-volume, high-pressure output. Just looking at the thick powder-coated steel roll cage surrounding the vital components tells you this washer is meant to handle years of severe abuse without flinching. I put this machine to the ultimate test by peeling paint off an old wooden shed. Armed with the 0-degree red nozzle, the Seizeen absolutely obliterated the old paint flakes in seconds, stripping the wood bare with a level of aggression I usually only see in rental equipment. Despite the immense pressure, the recoil on the heavy-duty spray gun is highly manageable. It comes with 5 quick-connect nozzles, and transitioning from the aggressive paint-stripping nozzle to the wide-fan 40-degree nozzle for a final rinse was completely seamless. What truly sets the Seizeen apart is how well it handles continuous, demanding tasks. I moved from the shed directly to a severely oil-stained garage floor. Utilizing the built-in detergent tank with a heavy-duty degreaser, the machine laid down a perfect chemical spray and followed it up with enough localized pressure to lift oil spots that had been baked into the concrete for 5 years. The aluminum pump never missed a beat, maintaining perfect pressure without any sputtering or overheating. Despite its heavy build and massive engine, the Seizeen remains surprisingly maneuverable. It rests on premium, large-diameter wheels that easily tackle stairs, curbs, and muddy yard conditions. 2. VEVOR BS170D SP. The VEVOR BS170D SP is an absolute masterpiece of power equipment engineering, delivering an experience that feels completely professional grade from top to bottom. Out of the box, the finish and fit of every single component are flawless. It features a commercial-grade brass pump head rather than standard aluminum, which drastically increases its lifespan and ability to dissipate heat. The engine is a mechanical marvel, running with a deep, authoritative rumble that hints at the massive water displacement it is capable of generating. Testing the VEVOR was an absolute revelation, particularly when cleaning the second-story siding of my home. This kit uniquely includes an excellent extension wand, completely eliminating the need to balance precariously on a ladder while holding a high-pressure gun. I was able to stand safely on the ground and comfortably blast away years of dirt and wasp nests from the high eaves of my house. The pressure remains incredibly strong even through the extended lance, a testament to the sheer power of the brass pump system pushing the water. The ergonomics and material quality here are unmatched. The high-pressure hose is thickly reinforced with steel braiding, making it virtually indestructible and completely immune to kinking. The trigger gun features professional-grade brass fittings that click together with a satisfying, airtight snap, guaranteeing zero leaks even under maximum load. Additionally, the machine is mounted on oversized, shock-absorbing pneumatic tires that make rolling this heavy unit across a wet, slippery driveway feel effortless. You can run the VEVOR BS170D SP all day long without a single hiccup. I spent 6 continuous hours cleaning a massive wraparound driveway, a patio, and 2 vehicles, and the machine performed exactly the same in hour 6 as it did in minute 1. 1. BILT 4000 PS I4.0 GPM gas pressure washer. The numbers here are staggering. 4,000 PS I paired with a massive 4.0 gallons per minute flow rate. This isn't just a pressure washer, it is a water-moving powerhouse. The engine is a colossal, heavy-duty unit that roars to life with a single pull, driving a commercial-grade triplex pump. A triplex pump is the gold standard in the pressure washing industry, designed to run for thousands of hours under the most extreme conditions imaginable. The true magic of this machine is that 4.0 GPM flow rate. While pressure, PSI, breaks the dirt loose, the flow rate, GPM, is what actually washes it away. Using this machine to clean a heavily soiled, moss-covered concrete driveway was a mind-blowing experience. Because it outputs so much water, it pushes massive waves of mud and debris out of the way instantly, cutting my total cleaning time exactly in half. What used to take me 4 hours with a standard machine took less than 2 with the BILT, simply because I never had to go back over the same spot twice. Every single accessory on this unit is built for commercial contractors. The 50-foot steel-braided hose gives you massive reach without ever having to move the base unit. The professional-grade spray gun feels perfectly balanced, featuring an adjustable side assist handle that gives you pinpoint control over the massive recoil generated by the 4,000 PSI stream. It absolutely shredded through dried concrete splatter, decades-old oxidation, and thick layers of grease with zero hesitation.